place, but I don't love this place. Do you know why? Because it's so hard to decide what to get. I have 6 choices in flavors, and after I choose my flavor, I have what must be 100 choices in toppings. There are syrups, sprinkles, and fruits, and candies, and chocolates. It's too much. It's too hard to decide. I went too simple tonight. Just strawberry ice cream and gummy bears. They go together. It'll be delicious, and next time I can try something different. I mean, it's impossible to try everything all at once, right? I was wrong.
Hey, Cassie.
John, is that you behind that enormous cup of frozen yogurt?
Yes, it is.
What do you have in that cup?
Well, I've got marshmallow, Oreo cookie, blueberries, gumballs, Butterfinger, Reese's, Nestle Crunch, strawberry syrup, caramel syrup, chocolate syrup.
Okay, so you got everything, every topping.
Well, not everything. I'm not a big fan of malt powder.
Well, I can't imagine what that tastes like. I mean, what flavored yogurt do you get with it?
Hey, you know, it's funny. I can't remember what I got.
Why in the world did you get all that?
I don't know, Cassie. I was just going to get one or two toppings, but the more excited I got, I wanted to keep piling on, adding more and more and more. It's like that time when people came to Jesus in church, then more and more came, and we got more excited.
Now that I can understand. It's exciting how God can spread Jesus from one person to another.
And it's so cool how He uses us to do it. Like when we bring our friends to church.
Or when we pray with them at school.
You pray with your friends at school?
Anytime they need it.
Wow! How about that? You spread a little Jesus at church and at school both.
Frozen yogurt covered in junk.
No, silly. One big happy family of God.